Hey guys, it's EDCblade here, and I got in this package. Um, I'm going to do another little unboxing for you. I know I said no more videos until I get a video camera, but this I had to share with you guys. So let's get this thing open. And I'm not going to use a knife today because it's pretty. This is just a small box of. It's a benchmade. All right, this is pretty cool. GPknives. I've actually got to the point where I love this company. I had ordered this thing, and it came in, I want to say 2 days after I ordered it, so very good shipping, and great prices too. This is a Bally, so most of you should know what it is. If you can see it there, 51. And I know what you're thinking, why is he covering that thing up? Well, got your basic Benchmade manual here. Are you guys ready for this? I just want to fill the suspense here because this is a freaking sweet knife. Alright. Ba-da! How about that? I'm sorry about the volume, guys. It's at the end of the day and I'm kind of winding down. Just got out of the hot tub. Now, you'll notice this is a 51. But what the heck? Why is it that freaky color, EDCblade? Well, this is a GPknives exclusive, limited edition, model 51, what is it, 1101. And the reason why I wanted this thing so bad, I'll give you a close-up right here. Don't know if you can see it or not. My camera will focus here. S30V blade instead of D2 tool steel. Yes, that is what we want. A good stainless steel. And I mean, this thing, it flips sweet. Yes, I opened this box before, okay? That's just because when it came in, I couldn't wait. Had to open it up, get it out, play with it. Nice green G10 handles. Not a huge fan of green, but, you know, it is what it is. So freaking light. Definitely a huge adjustment from my Kimura 2. I'm taping this on Wednesday. It probably won't come up on my channel until the weekend. Sorry guys, I gotta work tomorrow, and I don't know how Friday looks for me. I'm probably gonna set it up on Friday. I hope so, because I'm gonna try to hang out with my girl on Saturday. So, with any luck. But yeah. Anyway, y'all, sweet knife. They still have these in stock as of the time I'm filming this. So I'll put a link in the description to the site, and pick yourself up one of these guys. It's freaking sweet. I mean, and it's only, you know, probably about 40 bucks more than the original 51, and you get S30V. You can see mine is 35 out of 200. And yeah, it's not that much more expensive for these guys. Just go ahead, pick one up, have some fun with it. And maybe you're a collector, you won't flip them, but I flip mine, I use mine. That's the whole point of the S30V for me. So, anyway, have a good night, y'all. Peace out. And have fun with your 51s. And you know what, guys? How about a video response? Show me some flipping with your 51s. And, yeah, I might do a flipping video pretty soon, just for the heck of it. I'll get back into making videos, just light duty though. I can't go outside, so. And I'll be getting a new camera probably in December. So, keep you guys updated. See ya!